How's it going, guys? Back again with another 135i video, and today I'm showing you guys how to test out these boost solenoids. I recently just purchased these new ones from N54, but it looks like one of them is starting to fail already. It's been maybe like, I want to say like 5,000 miles. So this is how you basically test them. You're gonna need one of these little vacuums right here. You can buy these from like Amazon for like 20 bucks. I'll probably put like a quick picture or something. But anyway, you're gonna need one of these, but hook it up to the line that goes into the intake for the solenoid, or basically the ones that go to the canister. I'm gonna show you here real quick. The one that's basically furthest away from the connector, or the one that's on the edge, basically the one I'm pointing at, you know. So like I said, the one that goes to the canisters, and then hook up the line to that. And then what you're gonna want to do is get your vacuum pump and just start pumping it. It doesn't really matter how much you pump it, but we took it up to 15 inches of mercury. And what you do is you wait slowly and make sure the needle doesn't go down, because if it goes down, obviously it's leaking. The old ones I had on here were like really bad. They didn't hold any pressure at all. The pressure would just drop immediately. But these are holding pressure, obviously, because they're sort of new now. But as you can see, that one's holding pressure at around 16 inches of mercury, which is good. I think usually either way they only get like 8 inches of mercury from the engine, you know, from the pump. But now we're going to test out the other one, which is the one on the rear that is actually going bad and giving me a low boost code. Sometimes it's kind of intermittent because of the same reason that it's leaking slightly, and I'll show you guys right now. So we basically do the same thing. We took it up to like 16, 17, maybe a little bit higher than before. But as time goes on and you wait a little bit, you'll see that the needle slowly starts going down, which is a bad thing. So as you can see, the needle starts slowly going down, which is not that bad, but it's kind of bad because it does not let you reach your peak boost, or the boost you're supposed to be at, because basically these solenoids control the wastegate and how closed it is. So if it's not fully closed, you're going to be leaking out boost and obviously not making enough boost. So in this situation, you know, you can't really fix these, so just replace them. And luckily I got them from N54, so they do come with lifetime warranty. But like you can see, they're leaking obviously, and that's how you basically test them out to see if your boost solenoids are bad. Now if you've tested everything good and you're still getting some other problems, it could be something else. Check out my channel for other diagnostic videos sort of like this. But yeah, this is how you basically check your boost solenoids. And yeah, thanks for watching.